Hurricane Lee 2023 is expected to be a severe storm that will affect Nova Scotia. The effects of the storm could be catastrophic, with potential for massive property damage. Strong winds and heavy rain are expected to put the province in a state of emergency. Communities and coastal regions will be particularly vulnerable to severe flooding and storm surge. Preparing for the storm is essential for minimizing its effects. People are encouraged to secure their homes and prepare for evacuation if necessary. The government of Nova Scotia has issued clear instructions and safety protocols for citizens. Mayors have also encouraged people to stock up on food, water, and vital supplies in case of a storm. People living in communities or near the coast are advised to find a safe location further away from the water. Dorian remains the most devastating storm the region has ever faced, and Lee could be of similar severity. The Canadian Armed Forces are available to assist with any emergency response activities, if requested. Emergency services will remain available and communicable during and after Lee, to ensure smooth operation of services. Construction on existing protective and safety measures such as levees and sea walls should be completed as soon as possible. Risk assessments should also be conducted to prepare for the worst-case scenarios that could arise from the storm. The government is also taking steps to ensure the safety and welfare of its citizens and mitigate the effects of the storm. Transportation routes should remain open and accessible for citizens in order to move away from the storm as necessary. Members of the public should also be aware of the potential danger and take the necessary precautions to stay safe. Media outlets will be key in keeping people informed of the storm's progress and any updates or changes. Weather warnings should start well before the storm, ensuring that people have enough time to prepare and respond. Emergency personnel and volunteers should be ready to respond quickly to potential disasters that may arise as a result of Hurricane Lee. Now more than ever is an important time for the public to stay informed and follow the instructions set out to ensure safety. Precautions should be taken to ensure that any damages incurred due to the storm are minimized by adequate preparations. The provincial government has already allocated additional funding to activities such as repairs and relief efforts. Communities are encouraged to band together and help each other during the storm and in the aftermath. Charitable organizations will be critical in ensuring that people affected by the storm receive the support they need.